Good day viewers and welcome to the Polymerupdate Daily News Show. This is Hetal from the Polymerupdate Mumbai office. Today's special news reel is sponsored by Delhi-based Acts Engineering, an eminent manufacturer, importer, exporter, supplier and service provider. Their range of products include plastic processing machines and rubber processing machines. In the breaking news, rain and flooding continued to wreak havoc in Houston and surrounding areas, and the rain is forecast to continue through the week. The petrochemical plants in southeast Texas have remained shut on account of Hurricane Harvey. The polypropylene plant of Braskem Seadrift, Formosa Plastics Corporation's Olefins 1 and Olefins 2 plant at Point Comfort, Texas, with total ethylene production capacity of nearly 1.5 million metric ton per year, and the ASEAN plant of INEOS Green Lake facilities, among others, remain shut. Refineries in the port city of Corpus Christi, Texas, include Flint Hills Resources LLC and Valero Energy Corporation's plants are also shut. Back to main news stories. Crude oil prices dropped on Monday, while WTI traded at $46.57, a fall of $1.30 per barrel. Brent finished at $51.89, down 52 cents per barrel. Open spec naphtha prices on Monday, meanwhile, were assessed higher at $478 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a rise of $4 per metric ton from last Friday. Ethylene and propylene prices were assessed steady in Asia on Monday. Ethylene prices were assessed at $12.85 per metric ton CFR Northeast Asia levels and $11.30 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels, both unchanged from last Friday. Propylene prices were assessed at $9.30 per metric ton CFR China levels and $8.70 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, both unchanged from last Friday's assessed levels. On Monday, benzene and SM prices firmed in Asia. Benzene prices were assessed at $8.20 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a spike of $30 per metric ton from last Friday. Reports of strong buying sentiments coupled with a surge in downstream SM values helped sellers of benzene to raise the prices higher. SM prices were at $12.75 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a steep rise of $40 per metric ton from last Friday's assessed levels. Prices were at $13.05 per metric ton CFR China levels, a surge of $45 per metric ton from last Friday. The sharp price rise was attributed to firmer upstream benzene values coupled with bullish buying trends in the region. In India, Tasni Saudi Arabia has offered its PP and PE grades for shipment in September 2017 on a CFR Nhava Sheva port basis. PP raffia and PP injection grades are on offer at $11.20 per metric ton. HDPE film and blow molding grades are on offer at $1100 per metric ton levels, and LDPE film grade at $1240 to $1260 per metric ton levels. SABIC Saudi Arabia has offered its PE and PP grades for shipment in September 2017 on a CIF Nhava Sheva port basis. HDPE film and HDPE blow molding grades are on offer at $1160 per metric ton and $1140 per metric tons respectively. HDPE injection grade at $1130 per metric ton. LLDPE film and LLDPE rotomolding grades at $1160 and $1220 per metric ton levels respectively. LDPE film at $1260 per metric ton and LDPE heavy duty grade at $1300 per metric ton. PP raffia and PP injection at $1170 per metric ton, while PP film grade at $1200 per metric ton. Viewers, have you downloaded the Polymer Exchange app on your smartphone? Well, Polymer Exchange is the world's first mobile phone application which makes buying and selling of polymers pretty simple. To know more, visit your App Store or the Google Play Store and download this dynamic trading tool now. The application is available free for download, but not for long. So take advantage of this free offer today and change the way you buy and sell polymers. If you enjoyed watching this daily news video from Polymerupdate and have found it to be useful for your business, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the button below. It's Tuesday, August 29th. This is Thank you.